Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to make money for yourself. So the first app I'm going to talk about is Grok. Okay, so this is Grok. All right, this is the app called Grok. So this Grok is made by X. All right, by X.AI, which is the former Twitter company. Then we have ChatGPT. All right, ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT, and then we have Gemini. All right, this is by Google. All right, so we actually have a lot of AI, and the one that recently done by this Chinese company called DeepSeek. So I'm going to use Grok as an example. For instance, if you go to Grok, Grok, you see different options here. So if you click, if you don't have an account, just register. And here you can even use this deep search, all right? So you can say something like, help me research a business I can do with, let's say, maybe $100 to make maybe $1,000 in the next 30 days. Okay, you can say, I don't mind maybe PLR product I can resell. By the way, guys, if you want to start any business, all right, if you click, by the way, guys, if you want to start this PLR business, if you click on the link under this video, you're going to see a link where it's going to take you to a page where you can learn more about PLR product and how you can get up to 15,000 products, digital product that you can resell and keep 100% of the profit. So, yeah, so I can say something like, help me. Yeah, so this deep search, what it does is that it gives, Grok the ability to search all the internet for the best resources to help you. All right. So as you can see, it has like research up to 10 sources now. So those sources, you can even click on it and see how it's thinking or how it's researching. So you can see here. All right. So it talks about some PLR website. Some of these websites actually you can buy products, different products from them. Okay, but like I said in the video, all right, under this video, you're gonna see a link that's gonna lead you to a website where you can get up to 15 million PLR digital product that you can resell for profit. So it's still thinking. You can just click on here again. So you can see it has sourced up to 60 website now that is searched. So let's see, up to 70 now. And it has spent just 71 seconds. That's like about 1 minute or thereabout. So after it finish, it will just send you the information that you need in order to, to start leveraging how to make money. If you have any other idea that you want it to brainstorm for you or to do a research for you, you can as well just tell it to do it for you. And, it's going to do all of that for you. And there are times that there are people that maybe those people don't even have time, to do something. You can just help them do it by coming to this AI, and the AI will do it for you. So it says research suggests that starting a business with 100 to make 1,000 is in 30 days challenge, but possible with PLR products. Can you see? It seems likely that focusing on reselling PLR digital products like ebooks and high-demand can yield quick returns. The evidence leans towards effective marketing. So it will tell you, different things and different ways to go about it. All right. Even though it listed some website here, you can see some of the websites, their bundle might not be that cheap. Okay. So, but if you click on the link under this video, you're going to see it. And you can even use AI to write the copy, the marketing write up and everything. And you can even go to Canva again. That is another AI tool to design to help you design, maybe like, or create a video or image that you can use to promote your digital product. So it's very, very possible. And so far I've made, a lot of money with this product, and I believe it can help you. So if you have any question, just drop it in the comments and I'll be there to support you. Okay.